Today we are performing the lab of Ethernet and ARP. The Ethernet and ARP are the lab which is of 10th lab. The ARP is Address Resolution Protocol. It is a communication protocol used for discovering the link layer address such as MAC address associated with a given internal internet layer address, typically an IPv4 that is version 4 address. This mapping is a critical function in the Internet Protocol suite and it is used for to map MAC address to IP address. So the first phase of this is capturing and analyzing Ethernet frames. So before capturing, we have to make sure that our recent clear recent was deleted, and for that you have to go into tools, internet options and delete the files. After that, you should go to the Wireshark. You should go to the Wireshark and start packet capturing. Then you enter this URL. This URL shows these documents which have amendments, and after that you opening start Wireshark packet capturing. Then find the packet numbers in the upper Wireshark. Then you will and find the get message. After this, since we are doing the lab of Ethernet and ARP, we are not interested in IP or higher layer protocols. So let's change. What we have to do is go to enable protocols and uncheck the IPv4. Then we have you will get the interface like this, right? So after getting interface like this, then our first task is completed. Then there are some questions to answer, like what is 48-bit Ethernet address and 48-bit destination address. So let me show you. Let's first go to our get message, which is in frame 148, right? Here the source address is F889D2 148D6B, which is cloudnet underscore 148D6, and the destination address is Cisco underscore AFD1D6 7001B5 AFD1D6. This is the source and destination, and the hexadecimal value is 0x0800. How many bytes from the very start of the frame that the ASCII G in G get appear in Ethernet frame? So you can see the Ethernet G is started from 54 bytes, right? It is started from 54 bytes. So now let's go to another phase of questions, which are what is value of Ethernet source address? Is this the address of your computer? So, and also the destination address. So let me show you the request message, which is it here. It is the source address is Cisco and the destination is CloudNet. Like there is an interchange between the address because it is from now server to client. So the messages are interchange. After this, the question is give the the hexadecimal value is 0x0800. How many bytes from the very start of the internet? ASCII OK. So the OK, the HTTP message is from 54 bytes. It is also from 54 bytes. The second phase of this project is address resolution protocol. The whatever we are studied about this. In this, we have also doing the ARP caching, ARP command. So for doing that, ARP command is also used to get some valuable insights. Also, there is like ARPD. Let's go through on CMD and ARPD. No, it is for deletion of packets, and for getting those packets, ARP command is used for getting the contents, that is ARP. This is all the extensions of that. So let's enter ARP for displaying. These are the dynamic static websites that we have in this particular host. After this, the question is write down the contents of your ARP. Actually, like there are two are dynamic and two are static, and then there are some instructions given for the ARP in action. You have to clear ARP catch as described. Yeah, as I told you that tools, you have to go to tools and go to Ethernet options, and you should delete the files. After that, you should enter and start up this file, and again you should stop that, and again you should uncheck the IPv4. Here, now there are some questions. Same for the hexadecimal values. What are the source and destination hexadecimal values? So let me show you the source and hexadecimal values are the destination. The destination hexadecimal value is 7001B5AFD1D6, and source hexadecimal value is F889D21486B. After that, give the hexadecimal. As you know, the hexadecimal value is 0x0800. Now there are two. One is we have the details of ARP of get message and its response message. So according to this is the get message. You should check all the details and answer that question. And the reply message is this one. And from this you have to answer that questions. All the information available in these two fields. And the last is what the hexadecimal values. As I already told you, these are the hexadecimal values of source and destination. After that, it's open internet, and why there is no ARP reply? Because there is no ARP reply according to 15th question, because we are not mentioning that we are transferring packets. It is directly contacting. That's why there is no ARP reply. If there is a machine, there will be an ARP reply, but we are not the machine that we are transferring, so that there is no ARP reply. So in this way, we have completed our Ethernet and ARP lab. Thank you.